Lord, I can't change. Won't you fly free, bird? Yeah.
You better start fighting, soldier, or we're all going home in body bags. We are flaming buttons.
People drop you off to us.
All clear. Position under control. Out.
Fire together, boys!
I've never even heard.
But if you think you can poach my blood, Lieutenant!
These simple jobs gonna kill you.
That's what it was.
They're blowing us away! They're blowing us away! Retreat!
First, take a step back. Literally, your own face! I don't know what kind of pan-Pacific bullshit power play you're trying to pull in. Jack, it's my turn. Whatever you're thinking, you better think again. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to head down there, and I will rain down an ungodly fucking firestorm upon you. You're gonna have to call the fucking United Nations to get a fucking binding resolution to keep me from fucking destroying you. I am talking scorched earth, motherfucker. I will massacre you. I will fuck you up.